Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112. Okay, today we are going to make some bone broth. We have some chicken bones and some veggie scraps. We're going to take this straight from the freezer right into the slow cooker. I found some more veggie scraps, some bell peppers. I'm going to throw in here as well. We're going to add some lemons. Now you can add apple cider vinegar. I have a sensitivity, so I'm adding lemons. They're small. I just cut them in half and cut each half in half. Throw that right in there. Okay, now we're going to add some seasoning. You can add just salt and black pepper if that's what you want. That's just not enough seasoning for me. You can add fresh or dried. Use whatever you have. Okay, so I'm going to add some whole black peppercorn, and we won't measure this either. Sprinkle that in. Maybe a little more. I'm going to add some salt. I'm using some pink Himalayan salt. However much your heart desires. A little more. We're going to add some parsley flakes. And I'm going to add some whole celery seed. Okay, we're going to add some ginger. And some turmeric. Need to refill my jar. So let's open this up. Sprinkle some of that in. Okay, now how much water you add to your bone broth depends on how much you have in your slow cooker and the size of your slow cooker. So this is a 6-quart, I believe. So we're going to start to add our water. And you just want to add enough water to cover everything. So you don't want to overfill your slow cooker. You want to make sure that it's just covering everything. And give it a little push. Okay. Add the top. Cook on low for 10 hours. Now the bone broth is done. We're going to need a mesh strainer, a bowl. I like to use this one. It has a spout on it. Got this from the Dollar Tree. Get you one. And I'm going to use some cheesecloth. So I'm going to take this and put it over the strainer that's over the bowl. Okay, the bone broth is done. After 10 hours, look at that. We're gonna strain this. Bone broth is good for so many things. It's good for your gut health. It's detoxifying. It's good for your immune system. Provides collagen. supports healthy skin and joints. Great to sip or enjoy in place of stocks. I use mine for soups. Drink it. Who doesn't want glowing skin? Show you my system. I have a metal bowl with a green bag on top. We're gonna put the scraps into this bowl. I want to be able to really get all of that broth out of these veggies. So in order to be able to smash them, you don't want to have it too full. So I'm removing the bone and putting it into the discard bowl. Okay, I have these containers. This is just some of the broth, straining in sections here. All right, so we're just gonna pour these into the container. Bang broth. I have to put some gloves on here. Some oven mitts. Okay, let's help this strain a little faster. Just gonna add this to our compost bowl. All right, gonna need to get another container. Look at that. Beautiful bone broth. Isn't this beautiful? Okay, let's put on the tops. I'm gonna lightly put them on because they're still cooling. You can put this into the refrigerator if you're gonna use it in a few days, or you can put it into the freezer. They stack well, they freeze well. Make sure you leave some space so they need room to expand. Okay, I don't know if I would use this brand of cheesecloths. Again, it's pretty cheaply made, but like I said, I did buy a better brand from Amazon. So, but look how easy it is to get rid of. Scrap bowl. Cleanup is a breeze. And throw away. Okay, these have cooled enough. We're going to put this into the refrigerator overnight, and then we're going to skim anything that needs to be skimmed, like the fat. We're going to give this a little taste. Clean. Let's check on our bone broth that's been chilling in the fridge. We're going to skim off the fat at the top. See, it's not that much fat on top. We already drunk some, me and my husband. the night that we made it. Just going to remove that top layer. I mean, I'm just putting this into a napkin in my hand. I didn't get a bowl out, but then I'm gonna freeze 2 and keep 1 in the refrigerator to drink. 2 in the freezer and 1 in the fridge. 2 gonna be used for soup or stew, whatever I decide to make, and 1 will be to enjoy as a drink. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Make your own broth, y'all.